Hello students, I am Mohammad Maruf Siddiqui, your science teacher. Today we will discuss about chapter 2nd. The name of chapter 2nd is tissues, means utak, and the name of today's topic is complex permanent tissue. Student, first of all we will read the topic. Please listen carefully. Complex permanent tissue, it is made up of more than one type of cells having a common origin. Regardless of different appearances, all the cells coordinate to perform a common function. Types of complex permanent tissues are xylem and phloem. Xylem, these are conducting tissues constitution the vascular bundle which helps the plants to survive in terrestrial environment. Its cells have thick walls. They are made up of four types of cells. Tracheids, these are elongated tube-like dead single cells with lignified cell walls. Vessels, these are tube-like structures formed by the fusion of several cells and help to conduct water. Xylem parenchyma, it contains parenchymatous cells which are living, thin-walled and abundant and help to store food and sideways conduction of water. Xylem fibers, these are sclerenchymatous fiber present in the xylem with tapering ends and thick cell walls. Functions of xylem, they carry water and minerals upward from the roots to various parts of shoots of the plant. They provide mechanical strength to the plant body. They store food and helps in the conduction of water. Phloem, it transports food from leaves to other parts of the plant. Materials can move in both directions in it. All phloem cells are living except phloem fibers. Phloem is made up of following four types of elements. Sieve tubes, these are long tube-like perforated structures having a layer of cytoplasm which are involved in the transport of solutions of organic solutes throughout the plant. Companion cells, these are thin-walled elongated living cells, thin perforated walls associated with each sieve tube. Phloem parenchyma, these are parenchymatous cells present in phloem. These are living and cylindrical in shape. These mainly store food materials. Phloem fibers, these are similar to sclerenchymatous fibers. They are dead and provide mechanical support to the tissue. Differences between meristematic and permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue, permanent tissue. First point of meristematic tissue, these tissues have the capacity to divide. First point of permanent tissue, these tissues have lost the capacity of division. Second point of meristematic tissue, they have a thin cellulose wall. Permanent tissue, they have a thin cellulose wall. Meristematic tissue, third point, they do not have either intercellular spaces. Third point of permanent tissue, they have large intercellular spaces. Fourth point of meristematic tissue, vacuoles are absent. Fourth point of permanent tissue, vacuoles are present. Fifth point of meristematic tissue, cells have dense cytoplasm. Fifth point of permanent tissue, cells have high layered cytoplasm around the vacuoles. Sixth point of meristematic tissue, cells are always lying. Sixth point of permanent tissue, cells may be living or dead. Seventh point of meristematic tissue, walls of its cells are thin, and the seventh point of permanent tissue is cell walls of its cells can be थिक और थिन. स्टूडेंट, सबसे पहले हम आपको मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू और परमानेंट टिश्यू के बीच में डिफरेंस समझाते हैं कि मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू में जो डिवीज़न कैपेबिलिटी होती है ये होती है, और जबकि परमानेंट टिश्यूज़ में डिवीज़न कैपेबिलिटी जो होती है वो नहीं होती है. सेकेंड पॉइंट, आपकी जो सेलुलोज वॉल होती है मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू की वो पतली होती है, और जबकि आपकी इसमें जो दे हैव अ थिन सेलुलोज वॉल, दे हैव अ थिन सेलुलोज वॉल मीन्स दोनों में, मेरिस्टेमेटिक में भी और परमानेंट में भी, दोनों में जो सेलुलोज सेल वॉल होती है ये आपकी थिन होती है. और इसमें मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू में इंटरसेलुलर स्पेसेस जो होते हैं नहीं होते हैं, और जबकि परमानेंट टिश्यू में इंटरसेलुलर स्पेसेस होते हैं. और इसमें मेरिस्टेमेटिक में आपके वैक्यूल्स जो वो एब्सेंट होते हैं, और जबकि परमानेंट में प्रेजेंट होते हैं. और मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू में साइटोप्लाज्म यानी आपका जो कोशिका द्रव्य होता है ये आपका बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, और जबकि परमानेंट टिश्यू में जो है ये आपका थिन लेयर्ड के फॉर्म में होता है जो कि वैक्यूल्स के चारों ओर होता है. आप बाकी उसको स्टडी करिएगा, बाद में समझाएंगे. थैंक यू.